Well, hello there team. Today we're in a little place called Holcombe. In fact, I've been here before. In one of my previous videos I came to Holcombe Park, but not to the actual town or the sea. So I thought I'd come and investigate, see what's going on really. It's been incredibly windy the past few days. Last night it was a bit intense, shaking the van all over. So hopefully that won't be too big of a problem tonight. We'll see. Okay, we're going to head to the shop. There's not very many supermarkets around here, but there is a co-op not too far. So we're going to go there and get some ingredients. Come along, bar. Alright, shopping completed. There were a few bits I couldn't find, but it's fine. They're just extras anyway. We're now going to go to the spot. I've been to this spot before in a recent video, and I'm going to go investigate because I'm not sure if it's going to be too windy. It might be a bit insane. Absolutely ridiculously windy, man! But let's go find out. Now, one not so good thing that has happened since the previous video. In fact, I think it did happen in the previous video because it was so windy. This is now broken. I can spin it around forever. It should stop and lock. So basically, the top bit keeps flying open. If a bit of wind gets underneath it, it just rips it open, which isn't really ideal. So I need to fix that, but I can't access it without getting on the roof because this mesh is in the way. So, yeah. All right, we're just gonna do a very quick and dirty marinade. Yoink, yoink. And we are going to add some of this gochujang paste, which is pretty good. It's like a Korean hot chili paste thing. It looks rather interesting. So we're going to chuck a good teaspoon in the bag. Go on, it's a bit thick. I'm then going to add a little bit of this Scotch bonnet hot sauce from Kent Survival, because this is definitely my favourite one out of the three. If you know what this is, you know what this is. If you don't, you don't. So we're going to whack a little bit of this in there. That will probably do. And then just some soy sauce as well. There's our salmon. Looks lovely, doesn't it? So I'm going to chuck that back in the fridge and then probably cook it in about 3 to 4 hours. Nice. I held E the whole time. Sorry, I was reloading. I'm right behind him. Okay, the time is 6:10. We are going to make some dinner. I think first things first, let's chop some vegetables. So, salmon goes in the air fryer. Looks pretty salmony. That is how the bottom of salmon should look when it's been cooked. Black. Completely black. The noodles are good. They're spicy, but not too much. Dinner has been demolished, and if you've been following the channel for a little while, you know that means washing up time. It is incredibly windy outside. I'm going to put the phone out there for a second. It's really windy, which is kind of nice. Luckily, I'm facing exactly into the wind, so honestly, I can't really feel it in here. Anyway, let's do some washing up. Let's go see what's happening outside. It sounds a bit windy. Ooh, I was right. It is indeed a bit windy. Yeah, I'm luckily facing directly into the wind, so it's not really shaking the van too much, but yeah, I am next to some quite big trees, which is a little bit disconcerting. But I think we'll be okay. Oh. Alright, well, it's about 10 PM and I'm pretty tired, to be honest with you. I'm going to just go read my book for a bit and go to bed. So I will see you all in the morning. Alright, well I kind of lied there. It's insanely windy and my roof thing keeps coming open. I have my coat on because I just went outside to see if I could get on the roof so that I can close it, but that's not going to happen. No way, not without a ladder. See, it just kind of does that and then it will flip fully open. And the thing is, once it goes up, it won't come down on its own again. It locks itself into place. So this makes it quite hard to sleep. It's quite noisy and it's also raining. So I'm going to have to get inventive, I think. So I have tried a few other things. I've tried to take the mesh off from the inside. That doesn't work. It's sealed into place. I tried to get up on the roof. It didn't go very well. First of all, I just can't get up there physically without a ladder, and it is insanely windy and it's pitch black. So I thought I'd stop trying to do that before I hurt myself. I also tried. I made a very, very small piece of wire that I tried to feed through the mesh and then get it round and back over. That didn't work. Trying to feed this through, up and over a thing while it's insanely windy doesn't work. So that's that one out the window as well. So this option it will work, but it's yeah, you'll see. It involves one of these bad boys. So I'm going to make a very small hole somewhere around here, and I should be able to cable tie between the silver bracket at the top and back down again. It's still going to be really fiddly, I've just realised. But it will. Okay. Well, while it may not be the prettiest solution, it should work. So, there's a bit of a hole, like a little bit of a hole. But this has been annoying me for the past like 3 days, and now it's locked shut, and I basically need to wait till I get home to fix it properly. This wouldn't be very hard to fix. I mean, it's never going to look as pretty, but to be honest with you, this whole fan roof vent thing is it's like the cheapest one you can buy on eBay anyway. That's not to say that it's fine to just rip into it, but you know, needs must. And to be honest with you, it's winter now. I don't really need to open this anyway, but this has been seriously annoying me. Every time I close the door, it makes this go fully open, and when it's raining, it's bad. Yeah, this isn't ideal, you know, of course, but it's better than the alternative. So, yeah, there's that. I'm also highly considering, well, in fact, I think I'm going to move, because this is like really windy. There are 2 trees in front of me, and there are gusts up to like 60 miles an hour. When I checked earlier, when I got here, it said there'd be like gusts up to 40, but it's gone up by like 20 miles an hour, and it's kind of insane. So I think I'm going to move. I'm gonna look on Park for night. Hopefully there's somewhere around here. We'll have a look. But yeah, I think I'm 98% sure I'd be fine here, but the 2% worries me. So we're going to try and find somewhere that's a bit more covered. There's no trees around, and yeah, wish me luck. Okay, let's get out of here, man. It's a bit too windy for me. Oh my word. It is actually insane. Oh my. I'm actually struggling to walk. That's absolutely ridiculously windy, man. Oh, you see, I'm actually being blown backwards like pretty hard. There's 2 trees there, and I do not want them to fall on me in the night. They look like they're pretty planted, but I'm going to move on. This is insane. Oh, I can hardly open the door. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, automatic door closing. It's a bit calmer in here. It is actually ridiculous and kind of scary. Let's I'm soaked. I was outside for about 5 seconds. Let's go. I found a spot. It's kind of in an industrial area. It's basically next to Co-op where we were earlier. Let's get there and see if it's any good. No idea. Okay, I think I found the spot that we're going to go to. Let's go there and hope for the best. Okay, we are here, technically. Let's have a look around. Okay, here we are. Now, don't get me wrong, it is still ridiculously windy. I believe Co-op is over there. But as you can see, there are no trees around, really. There is a lamppost, but that's fine. It's still very, very windy, but we're actually facing into the wind still, which is good. I think this is just like a lorry park. I don't really know how lorries work, but it's Sunday tomorrow, so hopefully they'll be a bit less busy than usual. I have no idea, but yeah, this will do. This will do fine. Let's get back inside. I cannot tell you how much happier I am here than back in the old spot. I can hardly feel the wind, which is good. And there's nothing here that can do me any harm at all. There's no trees. that's about it really, isn't it? So, thumbs up. I'm going to go to bed now. I'm exhausted. That was fun, wasn't it? Okay, I'm in bed now. I've just made myself another cup of tea because I feel I've earned it, to be honest. I think this is actually the first time, maybe ever, that I've done like proper stealth camping. I do my absolute best to never park kind of directly on the road. I have parked kind of in laybys and things. I always prefer to be in a car park, somewhere off the road where hopefully no one can crash into you. I just am more relaxed that way. But I feel pretty relaxed here, to be honest with you. So we'll see how it goes. But for now, I'm going to go to bed again and see you in the morning. Whew. Good night.